project work. Fellas too. I place in HUILA, archaeological path of San Agustin. I had visited the archaeological path of San Agustin. It's a house located in the south of the department of HUILA. San Agustin is climate is cold. It is 13 degrees. It is cold as night. San Agustin is important for its tourism. It is famous for being sightseeing in the department of HUILA. It is a place to relax and have a resting family. Also, you can contemplate nature. Test surrounds it. Finally, in this place, you can observe difference and inform scorching statues and monuments that represent our ancestors. It had sites such as the forest on the statues, the thoughts of Lavapata, and the Lavapata's fonts. I want to talk about Park San Agustin, because in that and interesting, religious and historic culture is that two under 74 statues and sculptures are made the stones. Also is hats and weapons, Radalskis that you can admire and expense. Besides, you can enjoy the fresh climate and neat nature. In these places, you can find enormous green areas, mounds, and statues. The activities that you can do are campings, horse ridings, taking photos, the due extreme sports, task pairings. I like taking photos. Eros is a due hiking that I can admire. The view of stones. Also, I loved camping because I can do fire and observe these stars in this sky. Thank you. Bye bye.